For this example, I've already configured my burglar alarm so that push notifications are tied to whether the system is armed or disarmed. When the system is disarmed, I won't receive any notifications, but once it's armed, notifications will start coming through. Let's schedule the burglar alarm to auto-arm daily at 7:30 p.m. At that time, the system will not only automatically arm itself, but also send a notification letting you know the burglar alarm is active. From that point on, any events triggered by the cameras will send notifications to the app.